Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Suraj and you are watching Suraj Technology. So we are going to install Python today in Windows 11. You just need to open any of your browser. Now I am right now opening my Google Chrome. You just need to search here Python download. Now the first option is from python.org. You just need to click here, and after clicking you are able to see here download Python 3.137 is written here. You can see here right now. You just need to click here download Python, and you can see here the Python is being downloaded here. So after downloading here, you just need to right click and click on open and minimize this window. So you can see here install Python 3.1.3.7 64-bit is now able to be installed here. We will go in customize installation, and you just need to click all these boxes and click on next. After clicking next, you will just see here many of the boxes. You just need to tick all these boxes. Now here click on install, and I will skip the some part of installation so that the video could be short. So installation has been done here. You can see here you will click on close, and now we will verify whether this Python has been installed or not. For this you just need to open cmd python hyphen version. You will write here and press enter. Now you will be able to see Python 3.13.7 has been installed. Now we will run a file of Python so that we can be able to know that our Python program is working or not. So open Python. Now I will write a code of Python here and just press enter. Now here you will see my channel name has been printed here, and you can also save this file by Ctrl S, or either you can save it by save as. So this was the video for today. So meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching guys. Jai Hind.